Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Protein Bars is probably one of the most convenient and delicious ways to fuel your body on the go. Whether you're hitting the gym, need a quick snack at work, or simply want a healthy treat, protein bars offer a fantastic solution. But with so many options available, finding the perfect bar can be a challenge. That's why I've put together this guide to help you discover the best tasting protein bars on the market. Number 5. Pure Protein Chocolate Peanut Caramel Protein Bars. Introducing the new look of Pure Protein Chocolate Peanut Caramel Protein Bars. This is a delicious protein snack bar. It offers a delightful combination of chocolate, peanut, and caramel flavors. These gluten-free protein bars are perfect for any time. Enjoy it before or after your workout, or simply grab one on the go. It's a convenient and tasty way to fuel your body. Each bar is low in sugar, containing only 2 grams. But it packs a punch with 20 grams of protein and 190 calories. It provides high-quality protein, which is essential for a balanced diet. Indulge in the rich flavors of chocolate, peanut, and caramel. These bars are designed to satisfy your cravings while supporting your energy needs. You'll love every bite. These protein bars are a nutritious choice to support your active lifestyle. They are designed to provide you with the essential nutrients you need. Make it a part of your daily routine. What we like. This bar is packed with high-quality protein and low in sugar, making it a guilt-free treat. It's also gluten-free, catering to specific dietary needs. If you're looking for a delicious and convenient snack to fuel your workouts or satisfy your sweet tooth without the added sugar, you should consider this one. What people say. Pure Protein Bars chocolate and peanut butter the best you'll ever have, and it doesn't taste like vitamins, it tastes like a delicious chocolate and peanut butter treat, and it's filling and a good size, definitely well worth the money. I'm gonna order more right now, and the best part is it tastes fabulous, and at the same time, friends, just look at all the good protein we get. The lemon flavor is refreshing without being too sweet or artificial. It reminds me of a light lemon cookie. Softer and chewier than some other protein bars I've tried, which makes them easier to eat on the go. Number 4. Pure Protein Chocolate Variety Pack, 18CT. Get ready to experience a delicious and convenient protein boost. This variety pack includes 3 mouth-watering flavors. It's the perfect way to fuel your active lifestyle. These bars offer the ideal balance of nutrition and flavor. They are packed with protein while keeping the sugar content low. You won't have to sacrifice taste for health. Each bar provides 20g or 21g of protein, depending on the flavor. This will give you quick and sustained energy. Plus, it's gluten-free. These protein bars are designed for your active lifestyle. They provide a high-quality protein blend for both quick and sustained energy. It's also full of flavor to satisfy your sweet tooth. Enjoy this bar before or after your workout. Have one about an hour before to provide energy. Or, treat yourself after your workout to replenish energy and aid muscle recovery. What we like. This variety pack offers a range of chocolate flavors, ensuring there's something for everyone. Each bar is packed with high protein and is gluten-free, providing sustained energy. If you like having options and need a quick and tasty protein boost before or after your workout, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Pure Protein Bars chocolate and peanut butter the best you'll ever have, and it doesn't taste like vitamins, it tastes like a delicious chocolate and peanut butter treat, and it's filling and a good size, definitely well worth the money. I'm gonna order more right now, and the best part is it tastes fabulous, and at the same time, friends, just look at all the good protein we get. The lemon flavor is refreshing without being too sweet or artificial. It reminds me of a light lemon cookie. Softer and chewier than some other protein bars I've tried, which makes them easier to eat on the go. Number 3. ALOHA Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip Protein Bars. Introducing a seriously great tasting protein bar. This bar is packed with organic plant-based protein and fiber. It's a perfect choice for a healthy lifestyle. Each box contains 12 individually wrapped bars. Each bar is 1.98 ounces, making it a convenient and satisfying snack anytime, anywhere. Each bar provides 14 grams of organic plant-based protein and 13 grams of fiber. It has only 4 grams of sugar and 240 calories per serving. It's made with 100% real whole food ingredients. These bars are vegan, organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and paleo-friendly. They are also soy-free, dairy-free, stevia-free, and contain no sugar alcohols. This is a delicious and healthy option for everyone, including pregnant women, vegetarians, vegans, and those following celiac or paleo diets. It's a great snack or meal replacement. What we like. This bar is made with organic plant-based protein, making it suitable for vegans and those following a paleo diet. It's also low in sugar and packed with fiber. If you have dietary restrictions or prefer plant-based options, this bar is a great way to enjoy a delicious and healthy snack. What people say. ALOHA is an organic, plant-based and a highly rated quality protein bar. It is also low in sugar and high in fiber, which makes this a good healthy option for bars. This bar has a peanut butter inside with an outer chocolate layer. Number 2. Power Crunch Strawberry Crème Protein Bars. These Power Crunch bars are the perfect protein snacks. With 13 grams of protein and only 5 grams of sugar, they are ideal for any time of day. You will receive 12 Power Crunch protein bars in the strawberry crème flavor. Each bar is 1.4 ounces, making them a convenient and satisfying snack. Power Crunch is a unique wafer protein bar, made with a delicious crispy wafer. It satisfies your cravings in every bite while giving you the energy you need. It is great for any occasion. These high-protein bars are made with high-DH hydrolyzed proto-whey protein. This is the pinnacle of smart protein nutrition, making it easy for your body to digest. Enjoy these Power Crunch protein bars on the go or at home. They are perfect for satisfying your cravings while working from home or during your daily activities. What we like. This bar features a unique crispy wafer texture, providing a satisfying crunch in every bite. It's high in protein and low in sugar, making it a great snack. If you like a satisfying crunch and want a protein bar that's easy to digest, you should definitely try this one. What people say. They make me feel like I'm indulging in a dessert, yet they are a high-protein snack. The light, crispy wafer texture combined with the creamy strawberry filling is reminiscent of a nostalgic treat, but with the added benefit of 13 grams of protein and only 5 grams of sugar per bar. Doesn't melt or crumble in your purse, carry-on or backpack. The actual grams of sugar. The actual flavor. The strawberry was strawberry ing without tasting too artificial, the chocolate mint was choco-minting without tasting like toothpaste or watered-down hot chocolate. The bars are large. Number 1. WonderSlim Variety Pack Meal Replacement Bar. Tired of unhealthy snacks? These delicious meal replacement bars are designed to satisfy cravings and keep you going throughout the day. It's a guilt-free, protein-packed snack that you can enjoy anytime. Each bar is packed with 15 g of protein and up to 5 g of fiber. This helps you feel full longer and reduces the urge to snack. It's a smart choice for a balanced diet. Indulge without the guilt. These bars are made with quality ingredients and are low in calories. They are also enriched with 20 essential vitamins and minerals, making it a balanced meal replacement option. Need a quick and nutritious snack? These pre-packaged protein bars offer ultimate convenience. Perfect for when midday cravings hit or when you need an energy boost. WonderSlim is a trusted brand focused on delivering delicious, high-protein, and low-carb options. Whether you're maintaining your health or just starting your wellness journey, this bar can help you reach your goals. What we like. This bar is designed as a meal replacement, providing a balance of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. It helps satisfy cravings and fuel your day. If you are looking for a convenient and nutritious option to replace a meal, it's a great choice to support your health and wellness goals. What people say. These are the perfect texture. A bit chewy on the outside with a satisfying crunch inside without spewing little powdery bits into my lap with each bite. The bars that arrived all taste great. The chocolate caramel and dark chocolate s'mores are my favorite flavors, but they all taste really good and fresh. The bars are a good size meal replacement, so are pretty filling, have a good variety of textures in the assortment of bars, and contain 160 calories with around 5 g of fat, 0 cholesterol, 4-5 g fiber and 15 g of protein each. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.